everyone, welcome back to another series of How to Sound French. Today we're going to talk about the semi-vowels. There are three in French, which is the sound oui, the sound w, and the sound y. I'm going to show you a couple of examples of words, and like that you can practice the sounds. So the first one is oui, oui. It's the U letter and I letter combined, which is oo, e, oui. And you would find that in words like oil, which is huile, huile, huile. And you find that in words like him, which is lui, lui. So you hear that lui, ou-i, lui. And also in the word nuit, nuit. The second semi-vowel is the vowel w, w. So this one is pronounced like in west, west, west. It's more of an open, it's like a W kind of, but more open, like not woo, but like w, 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 w. So west, west, west. It's like in west, basically. It's kind of like in, yeah, kind of like an English W. West, west. Then you have the word moi, moi, moi. It's exactly like the English W sound, basically. Ou, moi. And for the last one, you have the examples of you, mes yeux, my eyes, you, eyes. You hear? You, eyes. So there you have that sound. Then you have the word, for example, daughter in French, which is fille, fille, fille. Do you hear the sound? Fille. Double L in French is pronounced like that sound. Y, fille. So it's not fille, it's not filet, but it's fille, fille. Okay? So that's as simple as that. That was very short. And I hope you guys learned and can practice those sounds. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below if you have any questions, if you want to say something. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Salut!